So we're on week 4 here of the Tram replacement project at Snowbird, and it's a really big project that we're excited about, and it's more than just replacing the tram cars. The last tram and controls were flawless, but it was time to get to the newest, latest, greatest system. So what we're replacing this year, along with the new tram cars, is we're putting a brand new bull wheel with a hydrostatic drive. We're doing brand new gates, top and bottom. That'll be electric, that'll open automatically. We're putting brand new drive and controls in the lift. It's gonna have a completely brand new braking system and a brand new drive bull wheel. I'm super proud of our lift maintenance team. They are absolutely doing an amazing job getting this project underway. They're some of the best in the business, and I couldn't be happier with what they're doing.